In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to white balance infrared images in Darktable. Infrared photography presents its own unique set of challenges, and one significant step in achieving those stunning images is getting the white balance just right. By following these instructions, you'll turn your infrared photos into truly evocative pieces of art. Let's get started. First, ensure you have your infrared photo ready, then open it in the darkroom view of Darktable. This is where most of the photo editing magic happens, and it's an essential starting point for editing and processing your image. Once you have your image open, direct your attention to the right panel and activate the white balance module. This is a crucial tool, as it helps you correct the color hues that infrared photography can sometimes exaggerate. When you activate this module, you're essentially giving yourself the ability to control these color balances, making sure they align with the aesthetics you are aiming for. Now, it's time to switch the white balance setting to Spot or Camera Reference mode. This step is important because these modes can override the incorrect infrared colors that your camera might have captured, especially with infrared images, where colors might not render as expected. This adjustment is key to achieving the right tonal balance. Following this, take your color picker and select a neutral area in your image. In infrared photography, foliage or a gray surface often serves this purpose well. This helps the software understand the baseline color temperatures in your photo, allowing it to make automatic adjustments that better reflect reality. However, if you find that the colors still appear too red or magenta after this adjustment, don't worry. You can manually fine-tune the temperature and tint sliders. Moving these sliders will give you a more hands-on approach to correcting those softer hues, and can be especially necessary for refining the overall look of the image to your satisfaction. An optional yet valuable step is to use the color calibration module. This is where you can refine the channel mixing, which can be crucial for achieving a more accurate infrared balance. By tweaking the way different color channels mix together, you're able to correct any remaining discrepancies or enhance the image based on your creative vision. And that's how you white balance infrared images using Darktable. Remember, the more you experiment with these tools, the more control you'll have over the final look of your photograph. With practice, you'll find your own preferred settings and adjustments. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more of our tutorials to elevate your photography skills even further.